and welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. This one is the March 2023 Boxycharm Premium Box, aka the final month that Boxycharm was still its own sole and separate brand apart from Ipsy. So this is the second to last second to last true Boxycharm unboxing. There's one more of these left, and then everything's all folded into the Ipsy ones, which we've already started on those a long time ago. So it'll be a big step in being all caught up on the things. So here it is, Boxycharm Planet Women, since March is Women's Month. But yeah, so our spendiest item in here cost $89, just FYI. And of course, there's the little info thing on the Ipsy Boxycharm merger and like all the dates of when stuff was happening, but that's already happened, so don't have to worry about that. That's just a piece of paper. Don't have to worry about that. So, in no particular order, we have from Grown Alchemist. This is the, what is this? The Balancing Toner with Rose, Ginseng, and Chamomile. It's $36. Not bad. And it says, a refreshing, invigorating toner for an instant lift and radiant glow. Leaves the face soft and clean, balancing the skin, refining facial pores, and evening out skin tone. Not bad. Oh, wow. That is, like, literally very apothecary-esque. Like, I was not expecting it to look so medicinal, but okay. That works. Let's see. Okay. I was just seeing, is this one that says press directly in the face, or is it one that you put on a pad? This one's pressed directly in the face. Anyway, second thing in here is from Ciate London, and this is the Fruit Burst Hydrating Lip Oil in Lychee and Acai Burst. So this retails for $16, and it reads, an innovative gloss oil hybrid that combines the hydration of a balm and the shine of a gloss with zero stickiness. Packed with lip-nourishing ingredients, delicately scented, and lightly sweet with just a hint of sheer color. All that sounds good to me. Can't complain. So this is La Palette Beauty Vita Yellow Fresh Cleanser. I am digging the watercolor aesthetic. So this retails for $32, and it says, this one-step vitamin C cleanser helps to brighten skin while removing debris and makeup. A jelly-like formula contains 88% moisturizing essence to keep your skin hydrated. Sounds good. From the New Co, we have the Super Thick Scalp Serum, and this is $45 for this little guy here. I'm going to put it back in the protective sleeve that they had it in, just in case it's a leaky guy. So it reads, for hair that is thinning or regularly sheds, this topical scalp supplement in the form of a serum is designed to reduce hair shedding and build thicker hair with more body. 90% said their hair is stronger and thicker after 90 days of use. Before washing, massage into the scalp while dry 2 to 3 times per week. Huh. Interesting. I wonder how long you're supposed to leave it on for before washing it. Anyway. From Youthforia, we have the BYO Blush in Chemical Reaction, which we have literally already unboxed and reviewed. So I have a dupe of it. It says it's $36. I'm probably going to throw this on eBay, just so you know. Meet the award-winning, first-of-its-kind, color-changing blush oil. It's the secret to everyday no-makeup makeup. A universally flattering blush that reacts to your skin's natural pH to instantly give you a perfect shade of natural flush. It's a good product. I like it. I just don't need 2 of it. And then the heavy hitter, expensive guy. We have the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. This is the one that's $89. My god. So it says, prevent and reduce the look of wrinkles all around the eyes, including lids, with this patented technology for potent yet gentle results. All ages and sensitive skin welcome. Helps minimize the signs of aging you can see and the ones you can't see yet. Provides 24 hours of hydration to reduce dryness as it instantly brightens. Delivers an instant dose of retinol over time to minimize irritation and prolong benefits. I'm very just surprised that it has retinol in it, yet you can use it on your lids. That seems crazy unsafe to me for some reason, but okay. I mean, if they're saying to do it, I'll do a little more research on that first before just doing the thing, because again, that sounds dangerous, but maybe I'm wrong. But anyway, that's what was in the March 2023 Boxycharm Premium box, at least for me anyway. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more is all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description, and it really does help so much. Even if you can only give like a couple bucks, every little bit helps. So anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.